Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to the folks watching on OneSpotMedia.com.
A reminder as well that you can download our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number 1 followed by the word Spot and Media.
It was a bizarre mix of looting fun and frolicking along Bustamante Highway in Clarendon today after a flower truck overturned, injuring 3 people in a 3-vehicle collision and causing a 4-hour pileup.
It made for an odd scene because even as people were being taken to hospital, others were playing in flour and others still stealing it.
TVJ's Krista Campbell has the tale of the tape.
From a glance, one would wonder whether the inclement weather has brought snow to Jamaica. That was not the case, but you could say it was raining flour on the Bustamante Highway in Clarendon. A 3-vehicle crash, sending a truckload of flour spilling onto the highway, and almost everyone turned into a looter. Others decided to have some fun with the situation, adults and youngsters alike.
They like what rain time and people are suffer for food, so we don't really want that much to happen. So we give thanks to it.
We want meat kind of now. You understand? Big respect to flour company. Yeah, right now we want chicken back.
No laughing matter for neither the 3 persons injured in the collision nor the 3rd person involved in the crash. Those injured are the truck driver, his sideman, and the driver of the RAV4. The truck was heading from Kingston to Mandeville, Manchester. The RAV4 and a Nissan Tiida were heading in the opposite direction.
Just as we come over the bridge at Fogger Road, there was an SUV before us, drift to the right and hit that truck and causing the front tire to blow. And the truck overturned, it go across the road, overturned, and all the flour turned over on the car.
No report from the police about what caused the crash, but eyewitnesses say the driver of the RAV4 had been changing lanes. It didn't help either that the road had been slippery from continuous rainfall. The driver of the Nissan Tiida involved in the crash says it was a frightening experience for him and the sole passenger in his car.
At first, I was thinking to run the car off the road, but then on a second thought, I tried to stop the vehicle, so I get as close as I could stop.
He said he and his passenger had to help themselves get out of the car.
We tried to assist the gentleman in the truck, but nobody would help us. Everybody was taking up flour.
The fire department arrived on the scene to wash flour from the roadway. It took police 4 hours to finally clear the traffic backlog. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.